Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I'm glad to announce a brand new discount for Crawlomatic, and it will last until 17th of March. And today is 11 euros, so you will have 1 week of discount for Crawlomatic, and it is reduced from $49 to only $29. Go ahead guys and check the link from this video description. You will find the discount there, as Crawlomatic is able to scrape any website from the internet, and you will be able to also crawl content using Crawlomatic. So you will be able to extract automatically the links which are used in the post or which are found on the site, and you will be able to crawl these links and scrape their data. So Crawlomatic is a really powerful scraper plugin. Go ahead guys and check it. It is currently discounted. So last week we had discounts for Newsomatic and for Echo RSS. Currently we switched to discounts for Crawlomatic. Click the link in this video's description. More discounts will come in the upcoming period. Follow this channel, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching until the end. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.